Hello, YouTube. On today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering a settlement between a black man and the city of Boulder, Colorado. If you like this video and would like to see more videos like this one, please take a moment and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's take a deep dive into this news story out of Colorado. The city of Boulder, Colorado has reached a settlement with Sammy Lawrence, a black man who was arrested in 2019 while filming the police by former Boulder police officer Waylon Lolotai. The city agreed to pay Mr. Lawrence $95,000 under the terms of the settlement, which is anticipated to be approved by the Boulder City Council at its meeting on Tuesday. As part of the agreement, the city agreed to provide data on how often Boulder police officers use force, including drawing their guns. According to staff documents for Tuesday's city council meeting, given the established cost of litigation, the city attorney feels it is doubtful that the city will be in a materially better physical position by defending the issue as compared to approving the proposed settlement deal. In March, Mr. Lawrence filed action against Officer Lolotai and the city. The city of Boulder and Officer Lolotai were listed as defendants in the lawsuit, which claimed they had violated Mr. Lawrence's First Amendment and Fourth Amendment rights. In a statement, co-counsel Dan Williams stated, "This settlement provides some degree of justice for Mr. Lawrence. The data it mandates the city to publish will shine a light on just how frequently Boulder police officers use force against the citizens of Boulder. We hope that this settlement will cause city leaders to reflect on their lofty language about policing, which has fallen way behind the reality of Boulder's history of abusive police action." The Boulder Police Department said Officer Lolotai was conducting extra patrols near 30th Street and Mapleton Avenue on April 5, 2019, when he responded to a 911 call about a large number of homeless people in the area littering, smoking marijuana, and disturbing the peace. When Mr. Lawrence approached and began filming the exchange, Officer Lolotai activated his body-worn camera and began talking to three homeless people seated near a concession building. Mr. Lawrence was holding a big wooden staff, according to the police report, and Officer Lolotai ordered Mr. Lawrence to move back or put down his staff numerous times. When two more cops arrived, one of them urged Mr. Lawrence to move back as well, while Officer Lolotai told Mr. Lawrence to put the staff down once more. According to the police report, Officer Lolotai attempted to handcuff Mr. Lawrence, but Mr. Lawrence struggled and pulled away. Before taking Mr. Lawrence to the ground and cuffing him, Officer Lolotai attempted to utilize two different police-trained submission techniques, a knee strike and an arm bar. Mr. Lawrence had claimed that the staff in question was a cane used as a walking aid, and that he was only filming the conversation rather than interfering with the police. In September 2020, Officer Lolotai resigned from the Boulder, Colorado Police Department. Officer Lolotai had been placed on paid administrative leave as the city looked into an Instagram account he managed, Tactical Toa, that appears to glorify police violence against citizens. I have looked for this account, but it seems to be no longer active. Boulder Police Chief Maris Harold, on the other hand, described the infraction as minor and said her strategy for dealing with them would have included more training and coaching. The chief went on to say Officer Lolotai would not have been fired if he had not opted to resign. Well, YouTube, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more videos like this one, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Also, if you have a video you would like me to break down or a news story you would like me to cover, please send me an email at knowyourrightsnews@gmail.com. The link is in the description below. Until next time, YouTube, you stay safe out there.